Namaste everybody. Today I am present before you with the summary and question answer of class 10th book, chapter A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. First of all, we'll discuss the summary and thereafter we'll have the question answer sessions. Before I could proceed towards the chapter, I'd like to request you everybody, if you have not subscribed till that, please subscribe it, and you must press your finger on the bell icon so that whenever I upload you can find out the new video very soon. Like it and press the bell icon and must subscribe it. A Triumph of Surgery. The story starts when Mrs. Pamphry, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a bloated sausage with a leg at each end. He advises her to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pamphry is not able to refuse him. Soon he falls sick and the doctor is called. The narrator, Mr. Herriot, then somehow takes Tricky the dog to hospital even though he knows that Mrs. Pamphry is not ready to leave the dog and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. Then he takes the dog along and puts a bed for him in his surgery. The dog does not move much, nor eats anything for the first 2 days. Next day means second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wanted to go out on the third day and started playing with the bigger dogs, those who were living there. When he was taken out, he also licked the bowels of the dogs clean on the third day. Then this condition started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meals and other dogs. Then when his news reached Mrs. Pamphry, she started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy food. Mr. Herriot and his parents started eating those eggs for morning breakfast and then for improving Tricky's blood. Mrs. Pamphry started sending a bottles of wine which was again consumed by Mr. Herriot. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then when she started sending in bottles of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Herriot thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. Mr. Herriot used to be really happy someday by having 2 extra eggs every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and closing the day by having brandy at night. But when he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Pamphry, as she was really worried and on his side, Tricky was ready to be taken back home. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress and jumped into the car. Mrs. Pamphry said that she would not be able to ever thank him for what he had done, and also that his surgery had been successful as Tricky is now cured. So, my dear children, now I would like to tell you the summary in Hindi. जैसा कि मैंने पिछले दिनों जो एपिसोड बनाया था उसमें बड़ा लंबा मैंने बातचीत किया था और आपको समझाया था हिंदी और इंग्लिश में. ए ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी जो स्टोरी है जेम्स हैरियट ने लिखा है, वह खुद एक वेटनरी डॉक्टर थे और मॉर्निंग वॉक में उनकी मुलाकात एक ऐसे रिच लेडी से होती है जिसका नाम मिसेज पैम्परी है, और उसके पास एक डॉग था जिसका नाम था ट्रिकी। ट्रिकी को मिसेज पैम्परी इतना खाना खिलाया करती थी, इतना खिलाया करती थी, जो उसे नहीं चाहिए वो सब खिलाया करती थी, चाहे वो कोल्ड लिवर ऑयल हो, बिस्किट्स हो, जो भी हो वो सब खिलाया करती थी उसको। मिल्क भी दिया करती थी, मीट भी दिया करती थी। तो धीरे धीरे ट्रिकी जो डॉग था वो इतना थुबला हो गया, मोटा हो गया था कि उसका चलना फिरना भी मुश्किल हो गया था। तो एक दिन जब उसको लेकर के मॉर्निंग वॉक में वो जा रही थी, डॉक्टर साहब मिले और उन्होंने बिन मांगी सलाह इस रिच लेडी को दे डाले कि देखिए भाई, इसको जो आप इतना खिला रहे हैं वो इसके हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, आप इसे इसके खाने पर कंट्रोल कीजिए। मिसेस पैम्परी को उस वक्त तो थोड़ा लगा कि ये क्या डॉक्टर साहब बोल रहे हैं, वो चुप हो गई, कुछ नहीं बोली। लेकिन डॉक्टर साहब जानते थे कि एक न एक दिन कॉल आना है, जब ये चेक नहीं करेगी इसके खाने पीने के ऊपर तो ये बीमार पड़ जाएगा कुत्ता। वही हुआ भी। कुछ दिनों के बाद कुत्ता खाना बंद कर दिया, वॉमिटिंग करने लगा, जमीन पे पड़ गया, हाफने लगा, गास्टिंग करने लगा। तो उसकी मालकिन जो रिच लेडी थी बहुत परेशान हो गई। उसको तो गद्दों पे रखती थी, कंफर्टेबल में रखती थी उसको, उसके लिए तरह तरह का बर्तन था खाने के लिए, सुबह के नाश्ते के लिए अलग बर्तन था, दोपहर के अलग बर्तन था, शाम का अलग बर्तन था। उसके कपड़े भी नए नए मिलते थे उसको, मतलब उसको जो ट्रीटमेंट मिलता था एक बहुत ही बड़े गेस्ट के रूप में मिला करता था। तो कुत्ता इतना प्यारा हो गया था, लेकिन लाड़ प्यार में वो इतना खराब भी हो गया था कि वो बीमार पड़ चुका था। क्योंकि उसका जो नेचुरल हैबिट था खाना खाने का वो नहीं दे करके आप तीसरा चीज दे रहे हैं जो उसके लिए सूटेबल नहीं था। डॉक्टर साहब आए और उस कुत्ते को किसी ढंग से अपने साथ ले गए। वो रो रही थी। जब ले गए वहाँ तो 2 दिन तक डॉक्टर साहब ने उस कुत्ता को कुछ नहीं दिया। एक अलग कुत्ते के बीच में सारा कुत्ता भी आए देखने के लिए, सूंघ करके छोड़ दिया उस कुत्ता को। कोई उसको लगा ही नहीं कि मेरी बिरादरी का है ये, तो उसको एक अलग जगह में दे दिए रहने के लिए। 2 दिन तक वो भूखे प्यासे उसको रखे, सिर्फ पानी दिया करते थे। लेकिन 2 दिन के बाद तीसरा दिन कहता है कि भूखा क्या नहीं करता। कुत्ता को जब बाहर निकाला गया तो दूसरा का जाकर के वो चाटना शुरू कर दिया बाउल जिसमें खाना खाता था अदर डॉग्स। दूसरे डॉग के साथ कुछ आवाज़ निकालना शुरू कर दिया। और 3 दिन के बाद तो वो वहाँ का जो डॉग था उसके जात में, मतलब अपने जात में वो मिल गया, भौंकने लगा। जब खाना दिया जाता था तो झपट्टा मार के उसके साथ वो छीनने लगा, फाइट करने लगा, खेलने लगा, मतलब अपने वो नेचुरल हैबिटेट में आ गया था। धीरे धीरे कुछ दिनों के बाद उसको वैसे ही मिलता था खाना जैसे अदर कुत्ते को मिलता था। तो धीरे धीरे उसका सेहत भी अच्छा हुआ, खेलना कूदना, खाना पीना। और इधर मिसेज पैम्परी दिन में 10-12 बार फ़ोन किया करती, डॉक्टर साहब को कैसा, ये बोलते थे डेंजर से बाहर है, चिंता की कोई बात नहीं है। अब इधर ये रिच लेडी इतनी रिच थी कि अपने कुत्ते के लिए सुबह सुबह जब पता चला कि हाँ अब ठीक हो रहा है तो ये अंडा भेजा करती थी। डॉक्टर साहब उसको खाक देंगे अंडा। डॉक्टर साहब खुद अपना अंडा खा लेते थे अपने पेरेंट्स साथियों के साथ बैठ करके। वाइन दिया जाता था उस डॉग को कि एनर्जी मिलेगा, तो उस वाइन को भी डॉक्टर साहब खुद ही पी लिया करते थे 2 गिलास लंच के पहले। और फिर रात में जब ब्रांडी आता था उस डॉग के लिए तो ब्रांडी भी वही पी जाया करते थे। डॉग को कुछ नहीं मिलता था। अब सोचिए कि एक डॉग के लिए ब्रांडी शराब आ रहा है, वाइन आ रही है, एग्स आ रहा है, और वो सब डॉक्टर बेचारा खा रहा है। डॉक्टर के दिमाग में, डॉक्टर साहब के दिमाग में एक दिन तो ऐसा आ गया कि चलो इसको हम 15 दिन तक, इसको ज़्यादा दिन अपने साथ रखेंगे तो हमको तो इधर से अंडा और ब्रांडी मिलता रहेगा। लेकिन फिर उन्होंने मिसेस पैम्परी के बारे में सोचा कि नहीं, मिसेस पैम्परी तो परेशान हो जाएगी, हैरान हो जाएगी, इसलिए हमें अब जब कुत्ता ठीक हो गया तो उसको वापस कर देना चाहिए। तो उन्होंने मिसेस पैम्परी को फ़ोन किया और बोला कि आपका डॉग ठीक हो गया। वो बिल्कुल नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग करते हुए आई उधर से। नर्वस भी थी, एक्साइटेड भी थी। नर्वस तो इसलिए थी कि पता नहीं डॉक्टर साहब सही बोले हैं कि गलत बोले हैं। तो एक्साइटेड इसलिए थी कि कुत्ता उसको फिर वापस मिल रहा था। उसको बाइज्जत उस कुत्ते को उस कार में बैठाया गया, फिर कुत्ते को विदा कर दिया गया। और इस तरह से डॉक्टर साहब ने जो उसका सर्जरी किया, विदाउट सर्जरी ही उसको ठीक कर दी। मतलब जिस ढंग से उन्होंने ट्रीटमेंट दिया, उससे हमें तो बहुत बड़ी मैसेज मिलती है, जिसका चर्चा मैंने भी कल किया था। इंट्रोडक्शंस के समय भी बताया था, लास्ट में भी बताया था कि दिस चैप्टर हमें क्या मैसेज देती है। सो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, we are having the question answer session now. We are going to have the question answer session. First of all, your first question is here: what kind of a person do you think the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is? Would you say he is tactful as well as is full of common sense? This is the question. Answer is: the narrator, a veterinary doctor, is a very compassionate, compassionate, and an honest man, as he does not unnecessarily operate upon Tricky. He goes out of the way to guide Mrs. Fampry that she should start keeping a strict check on Tricky's diet and his exercise schedule. He is tactful because he knows how to get Tricky to the hospital, and his common sense can be seen by the simple fact that he just changed the eating and exercise schedule of Tricky, which helped him recover from his problems. He did not unnecessarily put him on medicines. Question number 2 now we are going to discuss here. Do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? Yes, Tricky was as happy to go home as much as he was staying in the surgery. He was happy staying in the surgery because he got many friends which he did not have at home, and was happy to go back home because he did not have his lavish lifestyle at the surgery. Lavish, L-A-V-I-S-H, रईस वाला जिंदगी. His excitement to go back home can be seen from the fact that as soon as he saw his mistress, he jumped back into the car and started licking her face and roaming around in the excitement. I think now he will be fine at home as well, because earlier Mrs. Fampry did not take Mr. Harriot's advice seriously, which led to Tricky's hospitalization. Now question number 3 we are going to discuss. Question 3 is: do you think this is a real life episode, a mere fiction, or is it a mixture of both? I feel that this story is a mixture of both, because it is not a new thing that rich people overfeed their dog or maintain excessive wardrobes for their pets. But for a doctor to go out of his way to help another person who does not want his advice is unusual. A doctor being so honest that he does not wrongly treat the dog and instead just works on him by keeping him in his surgery and tracks his health by feeding him less and maintains a regular exercise schedule seems to be more of a fiction. Question number 4. Why is Mrs. Fampry worried about Tricky? Mrs. Fampry was worried about Tricky as Tricky was not eating anything, not even his favorite dishes. Tricky was vomiting and lied down on the rug, panting. P-A-N-T-I-N-G, panting means hafna. He did not even want to go out for walks for anything. Question number 5. What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? She caused the doctor to see him as he was unwell. Yes, she was wise this time, as earlier she was acting foolish by overfeeding him. The doctor told her that Tricky needed to be hospitalized. She was crying over it, but later accepted that she needed to listen to the doctor. Question number 6. Why does I refer to this story? I refers to the narrator, who is a veterinary doctor, and he is none other than Mr. James Harriot. Question number 7. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? Answer. According to this story, the narrator is not as rich as Mrs. Fampry, because Mr. Harriot is able to provide Tricky with a box bed whereas in Mrs. Famprey's house he was his own weight. Different bowls to eat and servants at his disposal. Then Tricky's mistress used to send 2 dozen eggs, wine and brandy every day for Tricky's recovery. Toward the end of chapter, Tricky's mistress comes in 30 feet of gleaming black metal, which is obviously a luxury car. So it can be seen that Tricky's mistress used to live a very luxurious life in comparison to the narrator. Question number 8. How does he treat the dog? He treats the dog very well. He knows that Tricky does not need medicinal treatment but requires a change in his life. He gives him only water 2 days and then he sees that Tricky has started licking the empty food bowls and started mixing up with other dogs. Then he gives him food and Tricky starts to recover well. Then soon after leaving there for a few days he is much better and goes back home. Question number 9. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? He is tempted He is tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest because Mrs. Famprey wants Tricky to recover quickly. So she used to send 2 dozen eggs, wine bottles, and brandy every day. Mr. Harriet knew that there was no need of giving Tricky all that, so he used to eat the extra eggs and drink the wine with his parents. With all that food and drinks coming in, Mr. Harriot used to be very happy, so he was tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. Question number 10. Why does Mrs. Famprey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Tricky had recovered completely in 2 weeks. He had been turned into a hard muscle animal. Upon seeing Mrs. Famprey, Tricky ran towards her, jumped on her lap, and started licking her face. She was overwhelmed to see Tricky all well, and so she said, as a token of gratitude, that was a triumph of surgery. This is all about the question answer of a triumph of surgery. That's all for this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. I wish you all. Please watch it again and again. If you have any problem, any thought, you must write down in the comment box so that I can reply you. Your suggestions is highly required. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and like it. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.